So I've created my Docker file and let's start writing the script. First line is from. This is indicating my base image from Ubuntu latest. Then I run. I want to run apt-get update first and apt-get install -y Apache 2. Yes, so to update the package list first, then install Apache 2 first. Then I want to expose port 80 to the container releasing on port 80. Yes, it's indicated, and this then Apache 2ctl. Use my command, bring out another one, define, then another one, then shouldn't caps for yes, I'm using FOREGROUND. And now I want to bring out my terminal. My terminal. Yes, so I want to build a container with this command: docker build my tag. What am I building? What should I name it? I want to Somebody might be wondering why FOREGROUND. You know, we need Apache to run in FOREGROUND so Docker can see the process running.